So today we're going to be learning about how to graph a linear equation using the mx plus b form. And that looks like this. This is where you have y on one side of an equation, and then you have it set equal to mx plus b. In this case, m would be 1/2, and b would be -3. So in this format of the equation, the b value is the y-intercept. And what this means is that when you look at your b value, it's going to tell you where along the y-axis the line will be. So since we have -3 for our b, y is going to be -3 when x equals 0. The second part of y equals mx plus b is the slope. M, the number that comes in front of x, tells you what the slope of the line is, which means how much it changes as it moves along. So slope is the change in y over the change in x. In this case, y will change 1 every time that x changes 2. So we can find our next point using this slope. We see that y moves up 1, and then x moves over 2 to find our next point. And by doing this, we can actually plot out all of the different points along this line to get an idea of where the line would go from the equation. So here are a couple other points that you can put along the line and find where the linear equation would be on this graph. The next thing that we're going to do is draw a straight line through these points, and we want it to go from one end of the graph to the other, like this. And you do want to remember to put arrows on either end of the line to remind yourself that this line doesn't just stop at x equals 10 or x equals -10. This line actually goes to x is infinity and x is -infinity. Thank you.